Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Cliff with Pink Flamingo Power Wash. Today we're doing a house wash over here in North Tampa. We got 2 jobs on the schedule. My GoPro's still down, so I'm using my phone to get these videos out to you guys. Like I said, we're doing a house wash, so let's go check it out. Got a nice little house here. A lot of landscaping, so we know we got to rinse a lot before we start. It's a little cold this morning, so everything is kind of wet already, so I ain't gotta go too crazy. You know what I'm saying? Everything's wet, so still gonna go ahead and wet them down a little bit more. The house is not really too bad. We're doing the outside of the screen. We're not doing the pool deck. Got a little trick shot I gotta hit right here on top of here. But the outside of the screen is gonna be cleaned. A lot of landscaping around the edge. It's probably the worst side right here. Got some algae down here at the bottom. And also up here on this side of this wall. So we're gonna go ahead and fire the pressure washer up. We're gonna let it run for a little bit, warm it up. Right now, I'm just wetting the fence down, the screen down, as I'm watering down the plant, going around the building. So when I come back, I'm just gonna apply the soap. I'm just gonna downstream this. It's gonna be an easy job. So we're all set up here. Everything is wet down, halfway, back side, all the way to the front side over here in this corner. We're gonna go ahead and start downstreaming.
Your free now.
Alright guys, so I got everything soaked down already, letting it dwell. So what I do is I change my bypass to water, so I flush out my line. So whatever's in the line, I just go back around and I just touch up anything else that I see that I'm saying that was still, you know what I'm saying, like green or they ain't dying. So I just spray them again with the, whatever's left in the hose before I clear it out so I can start rinsing. So I'm gonna flip my injector now, and then I'm gonna flush it and I'm gonna start rinsing. All right.
But you're free now. Don't say.
Davis, using the shooter tip, man. Good product right here. And no, I'm not getting paid by them, but it's a good product. soap up this last two sides of this house. And we'll be out of here, you know. It's not that bad, so I'll probably let it dwell for about like 8 minutes, and I'm gonna start rinsing. So I'm gonna start applying soap now.
I don't like the switch, don't like the fresh green grass or dollars. I'm gonna show you up. I'm gonna show you up.
All right, guys. So now we all soaked up all the way around. Like I say, I'll let it dwell for about 8 minutes. I'm gonna just shoot back around, start rinsing. Oh, this guy here is a Vietnam war veteran, so you know, I just want to say I appreciate everybody. You know what I'm saying? That served. Salute to everybody out there that's, you know what I'm saying, over there fighting for our freedom, and salute to our veterans, man. Straight up. All right, guys. So I had downstream this screen. Got a couple sections of it that's really rough, so I'm gonna go ahead and touch it up with some 50/50 on the pump sprayer. Let it dwell for a little bit. I mean, they're turning white, but just trying to speed up the process. Guys, we all done here. House is looking good. Customer's happy. Actually, I'm gonna come back soon. You guys gonna see me seal the driveway for the first time. I'll be doing this driveway here, paver sealing, in a couple of weeks. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see y'all at the next job. All right, guys. So we're all set up right here with job number 2. We're doing exterior gutter cleaning, pool cage, pool deck, some vinyl fencing over here, and also we're doing a driveway. Should be here for a couple of hours. It's the last job for the day, so let's check it out. This is the driveway here. A little dirty. Gutters, exterior gutters, pretty dirty. Let me crank this machine up so I can take you guys around the back. So happy to have a key start instead of having to pull this damn string, man. So we're doing the exterior gutters. We're doing this full screen. We're doing the fencing around. We're doing all this right here, guys. Nice and easy. Pool screen not even that dirty. The gutters are the worst. Look at that. so we've been doing it for about 15 minutes here on these gutters exterior. They look way better already, and I haven't rinsed it yet, so it should be nice and easy. I went ahead and hit the whole fence. The algae is falling off, or the lichen is coming off, so moving along pretty good. Show you guys how clean they came. See, clean all the way down to the window. You can see the difference, how dark that area is, and after the window, you can see where I stopped, right over here. So when I swing around the front, I clean that side, but these came out pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out the fence on this side, and then the pool cage. Guys, we all done here. House is looking good. The fence is looking good. Real clean. Got the pool deck done. Everything is nice and clean back here. I'm gonna show you guys the front. Driveway is all done up front. Looking pretty good. The gutters up top was done by Downstreaming, 3%. Check out this side. Yes, sir. All right, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up. And I'll see you guys on the next video.